Hello everyone. This video here I see baggage allowance. Here I see baggage allowance. This is the video thumbnail. Here I see is a Danish charter and business aviation airlines based in Sunderberg, Denmark, and does not operate regular scheduled flight under its own brand. Instead, in the mainly offers private business jet charter and aircraft management and operates scheduled flight in Alsie Express, its sister brand. Baggage allowance typically Alsie Express operate flight for flight operated by Air Alsie Express Sunderberg Copenhagen. Baggage rules and generally as flow based on Alsie Express passenger policies, since that the commercial service must travel use. Carry on hand baggage. 1 pieces carry on hand baggage include per passenger. Maximum weight typically up to 8 kg. Size limit around 55 into 40 into 23 centimeter. You may also bring a small personal item like laptop bag or handbag. Checked baggage. 1 pieces checked baggage per passenger usually included, often up to 23 kg. If you need additional overweight item, those can often be added for the fee through the airline's booking. So this is the Alsie baggage rules. So please carefully this reading. So thank you everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.